Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting product to review that promises to revolutionize your cleaning routine, the DREAME L30 Ultra Smart Robot Vacuum and Mop. We found this innovative device online, and we've added a link in the description below for you to check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the DREAME L30 Ultra? This advanced robot vacuum combines powerful suction capabilities with an intelligent mopping system, making it an all-in-one cleaning solution for your home. With features like self-cleaning and self-drying mop technology, this device is designed to handle a variety of cleaning tasks, taking the burden off your shoulders while ensuring your floors shine. Let's dive into some of its most impressive features. First up is the MopExtend Edge Cleaning, which utilizes DREAME's innovative MopExtend technology along with a duo scrub mopping system. This combination ensures that every nook and cranny in your home is thoroughly cleaned, leaving no spot untouched. Whether it's hardwood, tiles, or carpets, the L30 Ultra tackles dirt and grime with meticulous attention. Another highlight is the 136 degrees Fahrenheit self-cleaning mop feature. With dual water tanks and a built-in cleaning solution, the L30 Ultra automatically cleans its mop using hot water. This means you can enjoy sparkling clean floors without the hassle of manual mopping. Imagine coming home to a refreshed space every day, all thanks to this smart robot. Now, let's talk about its vacuuming power. The DREAME L30 Ultra boasts an impressive suction power of 7,300 pascals, making it suitable for a variety of surfaces. Its liftable rubber brush effectively detangles hair, which is particularly useful for pet owners. Plus, the vacuum is designed to tackle embedded dust, ensuring your carpets and rugs look their best. Thanks to its ultrasonic carpet recognition, the device can intelligently adjust its suction power based on the surface it's cleaning, providing optimal results every time. One of the standout features of the L30 Ultra is its effortless auto robot maintenance. This vacuum comes equipped with a generous 3.2L dust bag and advanced Dual Boost 2.0 technology, allowing you to go up to 75 days without needing to empty the bag. This means less interruption to your cleaning routine and more time for you to enjoy your home. Navigating your home is a breeze for the L30 Ultra, thanks to its AI-powered navigation system. The 3D structured light obstacle avoidance system enables it to move seamlessly through your space while avoiding obstacles. With a built-in LED, it can identify up to 55 different objects, such as shoes and cables, allowing it to strategize its cleaning path intelligently even in low-light conditions. So, who is the DREAME L30 Ultra suitable for? If you're a busy professional, a parent, or a pet owner, this robot vacuum and mop is designed for you. It takes the hassle out of cleaning, allowing you to focus on what matters most. It's also perfect for anyone looking to maintain a clean and hygienic home with minimal effort. In practical use cases, picture coming home after a long day to find your floors spotless. Or perhaps you have a busy household with kids and pets. Imagine how much easier it would be to keep up with the mess when you have a reliable cleaning companion like the L30 Ultra. In summary, the DREAME L30 Ultra Smart Robot Vacuum and Mop is a remarkable addition to any home. With its advanced cleaning technology, powerful suction, and intelligent navigation, it truly stands out in the world of smart cleaning devices. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.